Alright guys, we're finally back in private garage, and this is a thing that has prevented me from making videos for a very long time now. But I'm pretty excited about it. It's a CNC plasma cutter, and you can see I've been playing around with it, making a couple things. But this channel is more about my Pinto and turbo wing cars and V8s and whatever. We're not really about CNC all that much, but we're going to use this to make a lot of parts for the car. And right away here, we're going to cut out this Pinto shape. So kind of curious to see how it goes. And if anybody is a big fan of Pintos and wants one, definitely let me know. Maybe we can hook you up. So yeah, right now I'm just running it through a dry run here just to make sure everything looks alright. And then I'm going to fire it up and show you guys it cutting. Hope you guys enjoy.
Well, there's room for improvement here.
Well, I can definitely see there's some room for improvement. Got a little close in a couple of spots and it broke off. Could change a few things just in the way it's piercing and whatnot, but all in all, I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. It's a start. Got to figure out how to use your machine somehow, right? Then we can start cutting real parts. So yeah, pretty cool. Private garage, custom CNC cut Pinto. Pretty neat. I'll make some changes, and then I think what I'm going to do is cut another one off camera. It's basically the exact same, but I'll just clean up the machine code a bit to make sure this cuts a little better. So yeah, I think that's what we got. See you in a second.
There we go. Let's move this puppy home.
Seen it hotter. Knock that window out. Alright, not bad. Hold on a sec here. Why am I holding the camera up and down? Whoop. Oh, frickin' I'm crappy at filming. Never learn. Alright, so this is what we got. This, I know it's like you can see the heat affected area. That gets cleaned up pretty easy. No big deal. And I can obviously cut a lot faster than I am right now. Rear bumper, I don't know if I'll keep that. I kind of like it, I guess. I don't know. It's part of the Pinto features. But I think it looks pretty good. I don't see any parts where we broke through. Pretty close on the windscreen part there, but fixed the issue with the hood. So yeah, close again by the tires. But no, it's looking not bad. I can see a few spots for improvement though. One thing I noticed when I was programming it, I saw when I was cutting out the tire here, it actually pierced. You can see a little bit of a, sort of like a second pierce there. Basically when I was programming it, I didn't finish the whole loop, so it like cut part of it, lifted up, went over, came down again and cut the rest of it. So I'll have to correct that. And I think I saw that in a few other places as well, but for the most part, much better than the previous one. Let's go throw it on some, for some contrast here. Zoom out a bit. Yeah, so it took me 3 tries to get it, and still a couple things to improve. But I'm gonna clean this up now, and then paint it and show you guys what she looks like. Be right back. Alright, so she's cleaned up. Got all the dross took off there. Doesn't look too bad, but once we get painted, I think that's what's really gonna make her pop. So I'm gonna paint her quick, and then we'll be back for more. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the painted, fully cut out Pinto. Here's the deal. I just thought about this. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I know the tire's a little weird, but that's because it's like, it's in the picture, it was sitting on a road and it's flat there, and I'm not an artist, okay? But here's the deal. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to have a competition and somebody's getting one of these for free. That's $0. It's one of the only times that it's the same exchange rate for 0 Canadian dollars and 0 US dollars. So I hope you guys are ready for that. And oh yeah, by the way, that is an Olympic torch from the 2010 Olympics. Just in case you wanted to know, you know, just, ooh, that's pretty cool too. That's a story for another time. But, oh, and also, we are totally going to put gas in this thing and light it up again one day. That is going to be a YouTube video. But anyway, that's the car. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I had a lot of fun making it. We got a ton more cool stuff to come. And we'll see you guys in the next one.